Good morning mga campers. Right now we are here in Rongtara Camp in Pak Chong, Khao Yai. This was taken last Wednesday, March 21, I think, 2024. And we are setting our tents in the campground in Rongtara. Guys, kung nakikita niyo yung mga vans dyan sa campsite, yun ay mga accommodation. This is a very unique campsite. It's because of their accommodation. They are using vans and container vans and buses as guest accommodation. Yung vans na along the river, there are about 6 units of vans along the river na price yan ng 2,500 baht per night, and it accommodate 2 to 3 packs each van, or maybe the most is 4 packs. And those vans na medyo malayo sa river, ang price niya is 2,000 per night. And take note, those vans for accommodations are air conditioned. Mga air conditioned. Guys, nakikita nyo yung river. This river is from the national park in Khao Yai. Napaka fresh, clean water, clear, at saka super cold. Napakalamig. Klarong-klarong isda, guys. Kahit sa taas ka lang, makikita mo yung isda dahil sa freshness of the water. So, ito yung na-set up namin na tent. So kung mag-tent kayo, guys, may sarili kayong tent, ang rate is 200 per packs. Okay, wala nang bayad yung tent kasi sarili mo naman yung tent. So per head na lang yung count nila, 200 per head. Kung magrenta naman kayo ng tents, depending sa gaano kalaki, yung kagaya sa tent na ginamit namin, that is 700 plus per head. So abot siya ng 1,000. Kung dalawa kayo, 1,100, 1,200. So sarili naming tent, we only pay 400 for each of us. Then yung van nga katabi namin, guys, na accommodation is 2,500. Sabi ko nga, if along the river, the accommodation using that van is 2,500. And sa taas makita nyo, may una kong vlog, yung ground vlog ko. Ito is aerial footage. Yung sa ground vlog ko, nakikita yung buses na mag-accommodate to 6 to 8 packs sa isang bus. Kasi by rooms yung bus. May sarili ng toilet. Itong mga vans may sarili na rin toilet. So very comfortable, very convenient. And yung building na nakita nyo, guys, yun ang office. Then yung sa katabi is the cafeteria or the canteen na sabi ko na rin dun sa ground vlog ko. And sa likod may mga greenhouses doon for their plants. May mga tanim sila doon. And hindi ko na lang babanggitin kung anong plants kasi sensitive sa ibang country yung mga plants na tinatanim nila dito. And in this campsite, meron din silang boats. Kung mag-water activity, pwede kayo mag-boating. May mga tube din sila, water tubing, meron din. And in the river, meron din silang mga swings. So, nakikita namin sa past videos nila, may mga guest nila na naliligo. They're climbing the trees and then jump into the water, plunge into the water. Napakagandang water activity. So inikot natin, guys, pababa tayo sa river. Ito yung mga accommodation na nasa likod ng building. May 3 more vans along the river. Sabi ko nga is 2,500 per night. And may isa pang bus dito sa likod. Sa front ng campyard, may 2 buses, may 2 container vans, and may 6 na vans. Magkaiba yung container vans at saka yung vans mismo. So yung container van, I think is pareho lang din ang presyo ng van, 2,500. It accommodates 2 to 3 packs or the most 4. So kasi palupat na yung drone ko guys, hindi ko masyadong pinatagal yung flight ko at saka pinalan ko na rin kasi napalipad ako ng 2 bars lang. So ganyan kabilis na kunan ko ang aerial view ng Rong Tara Camp. So kung may walang mga tents, puno na rin yung itong mga buildings guys, may mga accommodation din naman dito sa loob. Prayer rooms, I don't know if how much prayer rooms. Sa pagkakaalam ko may 1,400. It accommodates 3 to 4 packs, 1,004. So mas iba pa rin yung asaka malawak yung parking lot nila guys. Marami malawak yung parking lot. Kaya lang if you are having your own tent, magbubuhat ka talaga ng mga gamit kasi hindi pwedeng mapuntahan ang camp yard ng cars. So maghahakot ka talaga. Well anyway, hindi naman ganyan kaliburious dahil may cart naman sila na available to gawing career ng mga gamit nyo sa camping. So guys, ito yun. Well maintained, ang grasses well groomed, so napakalinis ang campsite. May mga aso. Ang kagandahan dito is pet friendly, so na-accommodate yung pets namin. Nagdagdag kami ng 150 per pet. So 100 per pet pala, per dog. Parang libre yata to, nakalimutan ko guys, pero parang libre yata din pala dito ang pets. Ng 150 per head dun sa hotel na pala yun sa DNA. So but dito namadali ako guys kasi lubat na talaga yung lubat na yung drone ko. Tingnan nyo guys yung grass, napakalinis, napaka well groomed, well maintained. So maganda dito guys, lalo na pag may marami kayo, mas enjoy yung water activity. So yun lang muna guys. This is Rong Tara. For sure I will be back in this campsite because hindi ko talaga nakunan lahat. So surely babalikan ko pa to for more update and information sa mga may inquiries dyan. Pwede kayong mag-comment below, so baka may nakalimutan ako. So until here, maraming salamat. Drone Screed now signing.